Hi, Chef Dagan here in the Beef It's What's for Dinner Culinary Center, funded by the Beef Checkoff. Today, we're getting you ready for back to school. We're making 5-way mini meatloaves. This recipe uses one base recipe, and then we have 4 international twists. We're gonna go Asian, we're gonna go Italian, we're gonna go Greek, and we're gonna go Spanish. Our base recipe is really easy. We're starting with some lean ground beef. We have some diced up onions. We have some breadcrumbs. We got some garlic. You know it's my favorite. We got some egg. Help bind it. This one just is gonna use salt and pepper. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of milk in there. And then we're just gonna incorporate all this, mix it really well. And this is just our base. And then we can just add whatever flavor profile we wanna get into. Our base meatloaf is ready. We're gonna use our cupcake mold here. And I got a little scoop. We're just gonna go ahead and scoop those in there really quickly. And this base recipe is just our simple one. It's gonna use ketchup and cheddar cheese. Just fill these in just a little bit. All right, we got these all scooped. We're just gonna lightly form them. Just press them in there nicely. Kind of tuck them in. If you get a little bit too much mixture in one, you can always add it to another so they cook evenly. We got our oven preheated to 350. Now we're gonna pop these in the oven. We'll see them in about 20 minutes. Okay, our mini meatloaves are ready. We tempt them. We got up to 160. This is where we wanna be. We're gonna keep this classic American flavor profile. We have the favorite ketchup. Just put a little bit of sauce on here. Then we're gonna sprinkle some cheddar cheese and fire them back in the oven just for a couple minutes to melt that cheese. We're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of cheddar here and then give these just another like 3 to 5 minutes just till we get our cheese nice and melted. There we go. Pop them in. Okay, cheese is melted. Classic mini meatloaves are ready. We're gonna go ahead and plate up. My favorite part. We're gonna give them a couple of these. Delicious little bites. We made some tater tots to go with these. No kid can say no to these. And then adding a little bit of a vegetable in here, so a little bit of crudité. Give them a little side of ranch. Or a little side of barbecue sauce. They're gonna love it. There you have it. Our classic American mini meatloaves. A little bit of tater tots. Some raw vegetables, really simple, fast, easy meal to get you ready for back to school. Now we're gonna show you how to make this mini meatloaf recipe with an international twist. Here's our international twists on mini meatloaves. We have our Italian. We took some chopped up mushrooms, folded them in there with some marinara, baked them off, and then we topped it off with a little bit of marinara and cheese and basil. That one's great. For our Greek inspiration, we put some Kalamata olive chopped up, a little bit of oregano, and took our base mix, mixed it all up, and then we're just gonna top it off with some feta cheese, and I'll serve it with some tzatziki and some pita. For our Spanish theme, okay, we had some manchego cheese, I had some Spanish olives, some Spanish paprika, and some diced up peppers. Okay, we put our peppers in there, olives in there, some paprika, bake them off, and then we're just gonna top it off with some fresh grated cheese. That's our Spanish theme. Then for our Asian theme, we had some teriyaki sauce that we mixed in. We put some ginger in there, and then we're just gonna glaze the top once it's finished with more teriyaki, and then add a little fun play to it, some chopped up peanuts, a little green onion, and some cilantro. And there you have our international influence on meatloaf. There's the end of our how-to video. 5 ways to make your meatloaf fun. If you make any of these recipes or have some of your own, please comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll catch you at the next one.